In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by locating and opening an app called Files. Now select Browse at the bottom in the middle. And last but not least, hit Downloads Received Files over here to tap on Download Manager. As you can see, all my downloads are here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!